Biakamal ka Nuer Tube Mijiram Jadit go rejan o gender subscribe bana ngich ka ken phrase ni ti ki domnore ni you know bana jetok manem bana writing gwasame ka tense ni min chal ka present simple versus present continuous. Present simple amurai kenta present continuous amu wawuniam. So banje chuling ano mi chaji jogona na what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Ano what do you do for a living? Jogona jina na angula ladumo jin angula ladumo. What do you do for a living? Angula ladumo. B, I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. Engi dulgora lada alangi dulgora deri larino. Which I you know. What do you do for a living? You have to say it. I work as a teacher. And yok she definitely not the same way I'm saying it, but deri larka miladimo. Okay. Jin banker, jin carpentry, okay. Jiramu let co office, okay, to the already color, but Ketijalaran taken go Angula ladumo. Vilarano and Lan Malel, Chigantam Church or Guatame, and Nidwell Gora. Dairy Luika Dobdan deal Luikaja. Nyok. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Take any jinana, Angula demo antama. Angula demo antama. Jin Angula demo antama. Angula demo antama. What are you doing now? Angula demo antama. B, I am preparing my lesson for tomorrow. I am preparing my lesson for tomorrow. Han realan right and bong jirun. Ki han realan man bong jirun. Okay, ala ko sentem right na Ramadan and chilo gwadan chawen and teach and ngich. Ano chiati jeno angu lalademo. Chawen and ngich. Right? Jan kwalelo okay. Angu belelo. Ki angu lademo antama. Miti ran don't you really teach. Okay? Angu lademo. What are you doing now? Angu lademo antama. I am preparing my lesson for tomorrow. Ari ala nerwa chan bawu ngejirun. Nika. Melodian number 2. Past simple can a past present can a present perfect. Past simple and present perfect. Past simple a mishiwa. Okay, ala mishiwa ntama. Shawa could be right ka kwida ntama ka jan gwasama. Okay? Manyam A. Have you ever been to Nairobi? Michaji tijin ono. Have you ever been to Nairobi? Jin chikon te ka Nairobi. Michaji tij. Jin chikon te roll nuari. Mi ay tijin ono diri lojidi. Katung nuari jan kwalare. Jin chikon te ka Nairobi katung nath. B. Yes, I have visited Nairobi twice. Yes, I have visited Nairobi twice. Han chawo jal ka Nairobi ni kareo. Han chawo jal ka Nairobi ni kareo. Diri lara no katung nath. You know. Yes, lord ne ha. I have visited Nairobi twice. Han chawo jal ka Nairobi ni kareo. Jin chikon te ka Nairobi. Han chawo jal ka Nairobi ni kareo. A nyok. When did you last go there? When did you last go there? Ene chiweyo gwami. Ene chiweyo ka Nairobi don de jitije nono. Ene chiweyo ka Nairobi koro inaska gwa dan chiranten. Ene chiweyo gwase mi. Ki ene chiweyo gwami. Okay? When did you last go there? You know. Di lojinana. I went there last year. And shawu metar. You know. Last year lo ni metar. Di larno and shawu metar. Katiko ken gwasame kan kaloch. Do know baka kwenye. Nemene future tense. Mungonyam. Chale will kene going. Akena kono raji ten chalke future tense. Titi ka dovrienten kono ngonyam. ken chwal dia ken chwal ka future tense cha ji thi jinana what are your plans for the weekend angu chiri ale kamo ka jogan be ki kenin jogatin be jin point do what are your plan for the weekend b I am going to visit my grandmother an bo ka ba ma dong ba jogil grandmother an bo ka ba ma dong ba jogil I am going to visit my grandmother. A. Sound great. I think I will stay at home and relax. Chawe jom gwalong. Andi awjeno bet chang kaba leti bala long relax am long ki ti gwadan titan mutelo jiten. Sound great. I think I will stay at home and relax. Right contain a future tense. Meredin gwasam ti mishale modal verbs. Chit ke can, ke could, ke may, ke might. Chala ke modal verbs. A. Can you help me with my homework? Share the luck kalat chengda. Homework amisha kamu wilat cheng. Share the luck kalat chengda. Can you help me with my homework? B. Sure. But I could only help after dinner. Deji luck. Do no go baji luck yo ka kor ka mishamit. Okay, ka kor ka mishamit ka kwen. Sure, but I could only help you after dinner. Help after dinner. Number 5. Temshale comparatives kana superlatives. Ka ngijan dejan gwasame. Comparative and superlative do badana parka ngwakaja. De ran jogano na me kana na me perken. Chana ito go ka A. Which is better, tea or coffee? Amandian gwayo. E chai kie bun. E chai kie coffee. E tea kie coffee. Nyot gani jumanana dere kwany. Which is better, tea or coffee? Amandian gwayo. Okay? Bichu kwany manana ngore. B. I think coffee is better than tea. Dia wajano bun gwana jan kashai. I think coffee is better than tea. Dia wajano coffee gwana jan kashai. A. But green tea is the healthiest of all. Don't know chai and dekon shole chai and toki chai and alamcha chai paya kamrar la green tea. Dio ja gwana jan along a jalodoma. Green tea dio ja gwana jan along. Ki janta ka pwal pwanyo. Bakalian gwasme ban raika conditionals. Temichale first conditional. Conditional me dong chi de luang but guru jen go dong de relat. Yen chale condition. Chana melel gwatme. What will you do if it rain tomorrow? Angum de lel misha dam run. So a condition could you dong de dam ki dong dera dam but charge mu ka condition. Ti gar ngwatme. What will you do if it rain tomorrow? Angum bilel misha dam run. Name a future but a conditions. B. If it rains, I will stay at home and watch movies. Me wear them and but the chang kabagui ka movie. If it rain, I will stay at home and watch movies. Me wear them and but the chang kabagui ka movie. Number 7. Conditions. Second conditionals. Many am a first condition and actual second condition. Conditional erode. A. If you won $1 million, what would you do? Jin, michi you $2 million chikajak. Angum de lelke. Name a conditional, square a second conditional. Midong chikadejak teleka but kwale jongni. If it happened that if you won $1 million, what would you do? Michi you to shop $1 million chikajak a chitakabang a chikajak. Angum de lelke. B. If I won $1 million, I would travel the world. Abina and micha you $2 million chekajek and de jalwimon. Do know ka conditional tense nam you ti chicken ten lat keneje and o do muteka kaname a dong de kaname de kanalat. Do no telekong telekayo. To kon gomishal ke preposition of time. Take in, ke on, ke at. When is your birthday? dab jine ke chang dab ko du bala dine. My birthday is on May 10th. Chang dab kada a changa walka pai diich. Mine is in December. Chang dab kada a chang dab kada pai wero. Number 9, passive voice. Who wrote this book? Anga gor book ameyo. Who wrote this book? Anga gor book ame. Chale passive voice. B, it was written by Chinua Achebe. Sometimes they ger ka do dan they gor ka je. Gore chol ke gore galwa ke gore yen ba de ne laran. Who wrote this book? It was written by yen. It was written by chol. Gore chol gore yen. No awawanyam. Number 10, reported speech. Lamate kama lar ke chala radin bi kulabird lar gwatame. A, what did John say? Anguchi John alaro. Anguchi chol alara. What did chol say? What did Gadwish say? What did Galwak say? Anguchi chol alara. Anguchi Garwich alaro. Anguchi Galwak alara. B, he said that he was feeling sick. A janenana, a janete ka jwe. He said that he was feeling sick. A janina, a janete ka jwe. Well, a jan listener dana guru no de nywaga yekel. Mi jiram jadid, please do not forget to subscribe, comment, share it. Guru no baji jiknete kokien. Go de kan me de kan listen me de kan aguru. Listen men mishi ja guru dong de ajilwak. Jan gwa dana bana chungtin, biata kamal, ataya kamal, bye bye.